So let's continue our chapter 2, part 1, language semantics. So we will talk about Python's dynamic references, strong types. So compared with other languages, object references in Python have no type associated with them. So how to understand this? Chang, you have a lot of Java and C++ coding experience. Can you tell me the difference? What is strong types in
Strong
Python?
type means for any variable, the type is required. So you need a type to define a variable. But for Python, any variable can be any type. So you can change it in the dynamically. But for C++, for Java, when you declare a variable as an int, it won't change the type during runtime.
So for example, in Python, we can, when we assign A to 5, right? We assign A to 5, then we don't need to mark that A is an integer.
Yeah, you don't
need to mark that, but for other language, we need to mark that. And then...
But it has a type here.
Yeah.
If you do type of A, it will show you as an int. But it can be changed. If you assign a string to A, then the type of it will kind of become another string. So that can be changed dynamically for Python.
Yeah, so Python's object type can be changed dynamically. But for other language, if I do this, first assign A to 5 and then assign A to a string, then there will be
compile
errors, right? But we can see, okay, it works very well in Python. So Python is considered a strongly typed language. Okay, let's go to the next part, which is imports. So for imports, yeah, actually we do a lot of imports, right? Import pandas as PD. That's our daily life, to import pandas, import numpy, right? And so what else do you want to add to this part, import?
Imports, why do you want to import other modules? Because we want to reuse the code. We don't want to reinvent the wheel.
You can appear.
We don't want to rewrite the same code again and again. Many popular library like datetime, like pandas, it's open source, and there are many good developers already write them very well. So you can just use it. So you don't need to write everything from beginning. You just use import pandas and PDs, and you can use a lot of functions from that package, that module.
Yeah, we do not want to do duplicate work, so we will import these useful packages like pandas, numpy, and matplotlib, sklearn, and a lot of them. And there are also, yeah, as you mentioned, the functions that we can use like pd.read csv, so then we can put our csv file path here, and then we can read csv to be a data frame and to store it, assign it into a data frame. Yeah, so that's about the imports. Then let's go to the next part, which is binary operators and the comparisons. So I will talk this part with an example here. A equals to 1, 2, 3, which is a list. And then we will say B equals to A, and then C equals to list A. And then I have one question. So this is also our binary operator, which is what, Chang? So I put A is B here. This is a binary operator. And what's the result do you think it will be?
So if these two variables are pointing to the same memory space, then A is B. It will be true.
It will be true. Yeah, you are correct. So how about C?
Well, C is created by copying the content of A and create a new list. But that's a constructive list object. So it's another object, list object with same content as A. So they're not the same.
So is that a like deep copy you mentioned before?
Yes.
Yeah, he said yes. So this is another way to do a deep copy. And the result will be false. So there are lots of other binary operators like A plus B, A minus A subject B, and A multiply B. So these are all the operations that we can look at. Yeah, so time's up, and we will end this part here. And tomorrow we will continue to our part 2 about scalar types of Python. So I have a question for you to think about, is that what are the scalar types you can think of about Python? So you have a funny news today. You have funny news today, right?
What news?
More and more people went to do the plastic surgery after they worked at home because they feel like they are very ugly in the Zoom
Yes.
video. So,
yes. That's true.
So how do you think about yourself in the Zoom video?
I'm tired.
Not ugly.
No.
Okay, and then I'm not ugly too. I'm confident, right? I'm confident. As street man, you need to be confident.
Yeah.
Bye.